Greetings carnivores and welcome back to Carnivore Confidential. Today I want to talk to you about flattening a chicken. It's actually called spatchcocking. I know it sounds like a very strange word. It is, but it just means removing the backbone and the breastbone so the chicken will lay flat for even cooking. And it's really easy to do, and I'm about to show you. Come on back. Stay hungry, you guys. Spatchcock. No, I didn't swear. Funny English word for, actually all it means is flattening a chicken. And I'm going to show you how to do that today. It's so easy. All you really need is a pair of kitchen shears. Come in, you're just going to take the backbone out. It's straight down like this. And just come in on either side of the post nose. We're going to cut right through there, down through the ribs. Easy, easy, easy. Same on the other side. Is there anything easier than that? All right, so I want to show you this piece of white cartilage here. See this piece of white cartilage? You take a knife and you just score that. That's all you want to do is just score it. Just get down until you meet resistance from the bone. And then you separate this in half. And this is your keel right here. This bone right here. This is the keel. And if you just run your thumb along either side of it, or your finger, just to separate the cartilage, like so, then the whole thing pops right out. And mine came out in two pieces, but these two pieces go together like that. And now you've got your chicken spatchcocked. As you can see, it's laying flat. It's super easy to barbecue it this way, just simply because just fold the wings underneath like this. Because everything lies all nice and flat, everything cooks at an even rate. The breasts aren't like sitting higher on, if the chicken were still whole like this, the breast would be sitting higher in the pan, and therefore it'd take longer to cook. So, this is going to be my dinner. I'm just going to season this with my go-to chicken spice, which is basically another bulk spice from Clubhouse. It's called Montreal Chicken Seasoning. And it's just got all kinds of stuff in it, garlic, spices, salt, pepper, so on and so forth. And that's going on the barbecue for dinner tonight. Spatchcock. Funny word. Take this piece of fat out of here. Funny word. Awesome process. Stick around, folks. I'll show you what it looks like after it's cooked. All right, so moment of truth. I've got my spatchcocked chicken. I got a really hot barbecue. It's been sitting in my seasoning for, gosh, about 3 hours. And I am going to transfer it to the cool side. Well, actually, it's all hot right now, but I'm going to turn the heat off on this side. And what I want to do is get this to lie flat, just like that. Just like that. Turn this heat off, turn this heat way down, leave this one hot, and try and maintain about 400 degrees. See you in an hour. Take this off the tripod just so I can show you how this is lying beautifully flat. Beautifully flat. Spatchcock chicken, folks. Doesn't get any easier or any better. And boy, it sure cooks up nice. Alright folks, so this pretty much wraps up my spatchcock chicken video. There it is, fully cooked, ready to come off. 170 degrees internal temperature. Got my broccoli and my corn over there. Just wanted to sign off with you guys. for the end of this, and thank you so much for coming out or hanging out. I apologize, I've got no shirt on because I was in the pool. But yeah, I just wanted to touch base. Thank you very much for coming out, hanging out, and staying to the end. Really appreciate your support. Stay hungry, you guys. And I also noticed that I've been saying at the end of my videos to look down there in the right hand corner of my my video, and you see my little icon there, and you can hover your mouse over that to subscribe. But I've noticed on handheld devices, phones, tablets, I'm not sure, but handhelds, phones for sure, that icon is not visible. So if you wait to the very end of my video, there's an end card that comes up. I apologize for the motorcycle that's about to drive by. If you wait to the very end of my video, there's an end card that pops up that offers you an opportunity to check out my next video and also subscribe to my channel. So I really appreciate the support. Thanks guys, thanks for hanging out. Stay hungry, you guys. We'll see you next Thursday.